Why does your scanner show the P0897 engine code? What does it mean? P0897 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid deteriorated. This engine code indicates that this means the fluid may be contaminated, old, or overheated, potentially causing damage to the transmission. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low transmission fluid level, dirty or contaminated transmission fluid, internal transmission problems, other possible causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mack trucks. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.